I have this 4x8 garden in my backyard that needs to have roots from previous years removed from it, as well as rocks that my son has buried. To help filter out these unwanted items, I built this dirt sifter from 2x4s and half-inch chicken wire. I made the sifter so you could fold the legs up or screen out debris at an angle. Next, just place it in the garden and throw a couple shovelfuls of dirt onto the screen. Some of the smaller debris falls right through, but eventually you'll need to shake the filter in order to get the larger stuff to break up and fall through. This is where a sawzall comes into play. I place the blade between the leg and the frame and start the sawzall slowly. The goal is to vibrate the filter, not to cut the wood. And as you see, the dirt is falling right through while the debris and rocks are left behind. You can see those old roots stuck in the filter screen. And after a couple shovelfuls, you can see all the debris left behind. Some of these dirt clumps can be broken up, but notice how all the roots stay left behind. I recommend frequently clearing out the screen so that the filter runs more efficiently. You can see all the debris and roots left behind after doing only half of the 4x8 garden. The dirt that once had a bunch of roots in it is now easy to move around and ready for planting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this easy build helps you with your garden project.